This is X30, the foldable mini aircraft, the decompression artifact of office families. Unlike the others mini aircraft, the strengthness of the X30 is it had a plugged battery on the mini body. No more tedious wiring process, only a gentle push to the interface. The app can let its small fuselage shadow in kinds of complex indoor environments. Because of its mini body, the X30 can shadow in kinds of complex indoor environments. Complete much difficult photography and video recording with your phone. In addition to stable flight, the X30 can also easily complete a variety of indoor acrobatic display. It's cool, right? During flight, the shield of the aircraft can prevent the damage caused by the impact. Let the player control more easily.